All right, so I just wanted to document this a little bit. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube where people are custom building a, HL8 from 45 Drives. So this is mine. I bought my own power supply, 500 watt, basically the same as what 45 Drives provides. Same CPU cooler that they're using. I currently have a 7700 Ryzen chip in there. I think I'm going to upgrade to the 7900 though. Currently 32 gigs of RAM. I've got RAM that I'm going to pull out of another system. That'll give me 96 gigs. Here's where it gets interesting. This motherboard has 3 NVMe slots. There's one here, one underneath that, which I have a 1 terabyte, and then there's another one on the back of the board. This is a B650i Aorus Ultra from Gigabyte. The PCIe lane, I currently have 4 SATA cables, and I have right angle ones because this is super pinched. There is no room in there. I actually hope I'm not damaging the SATA cables for that. I might have to get another cable. That sucks. But on the other side of this card here, I have a U.2 connection here. And I have a 15 terabyte Samsung solid state drive, a 2.5 inch that is in the mail. It should be here in the next couple of days. But I 3D printed a holder for it. I don't know if that M.2 is the same thickness. I might have to get on Tinkercad and widen this out and reprint it. Not quite sure about that. We'll find out as soon as that comes in the mail. But my initial thought was I was going to use the SSD slots for SATA and not pass this through. And so what I have in the mail is another M.2 to SATA. So I'm going to bifurcate this PCIe slot. It's able to do one 8X. And then 2 4X. So 4X for the SATA, 4X for the U.2, and then 8X for a video card that I'm going to put in here, which is right here. The NVIDIA RTX Pro 4000 Blackwell. So that's going to go in there as soon as Nerdware releases it. I've sent him an email. He said that it's coming out soon. It has better thermals than the Ada version, but that's going to go in here for some AI fun, I suppose you could call it that. But I've never really built an ITX system, so getting in here with the minimal amount of room and compromises that you have to have, I really wish, 45 Drives could just give us an extra inch of height on this thing. I mean, this thing is super compact when it's all put together. I mean, what's one extra inch to give us another slot for a dual slot PCIe? I think that would be absolutely perfect at that point. But going in here, so I'm gonna have 8 20 terabyte Exos drives that are currently in a Synology. I'm going to migrate all that data over to my desktop and then get the drives moved over. Install Proxmox and then virtualize TrueNAS. I know a lot of people say not to do that, but that's what I want to do, so I'm going to try it. Here's to having a lot of backups, but yeah, not a lot of videos. There's none actually that I've been able to find for custom building the HL8. So this is mine. Y'all take care.